Want richer sound, smarter noise control, and all-day comfort in one pair of earbuds? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the TOZO T10 wireless earbuds, compact, stylish, and built to deliver solid everyday performance. They offer deep bass, clear sound, and a comfortable, secure fit that works well for both casual listening and workouts. With a waterproof design and a stable wireless connection, these earbuds are made to keep up with your routine while providing a smooth and reliable audio experience. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the TOZO T10 wireless earbuds, charging case, extra ear tips, USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable, user manual and quick start guide, technical specifications. The TOZO T10 wireless earbuds feature an in-ear ergonomic design that provides a snug and secure fit. They come in a compact and lightweight build with an IPX8 waterproof rating, offering full protection against sweat and water. Equipped with 8mm dynamic drivers, these earbuds deliver deep bass along with clear, balanced audio. Each earbud weighs around 4.5 grams, and the charging case is pocket-friendly, making them easy to carry anywhere. For noise control, they rely on passive noise isolation to create an immersive listening experience. They also offer optimized low latency, ensuring stable audio with minimal delay, which works well for videos and casual gaming. You get smart touch controls that make it easy to manage music, calls, and even access your voice assistant. With Bluetooth 5.3, the connection stays stable and efficient. In terms of audio support, they are compatible with SBC and AAC codecs. The in-ear silicone tips provide a comfortable and secure fit for everyday use. Battery life is solid too, giving you around 8 to 10 hours on a single charge and up to 40 to 45 hours with the charging case. And when it comes to charging, they support both USB-C and wireless charging, taking about 1.5 to 2 hours for a full charge. Product features. Designed with an in-ear ergonomic shape and soft silicone ear tips, these earbuds provide a snug and secure fit that stays comfortable even during long listening sessions. They sit firmly in your ears, making them ideal for daily use, workouts, and travel without causing discomfort. The lightweight build also reduces ear fatigue, allowing you to wear them for extended periods with ease. Powered by 8mm dynamic drivers, the earbuds deliver deep, punchy bass, along with clear vocals and well-balanced mids and highs. Whether you're listening to music, watching videos, or taking calls, the sound remains rich and immersive. The audio tuning ensures a satisfying experience across different genres and content types. The earbuds offer around 8 to 10 hours of playback on a single charge, while the charging case extends the total usage up to 40 to 45 hours. This ensures you can enjoy your music, calls, and media throughout the day without worrying about frequent recharging. It's a reliable choice for long trips, busy days, and continuous use. With Bluetooth 5.3 technology, the earbuds provide quick pairing and a strong, stable connection. You can enjoy smooth audio streaming with minimal lag or dropouts, making them reliable for both everyday use and entertainment. The connection remains consistent even when moving around or using them in crowded wireless environments. Product overview. The TOZO T10 wireless earbuds feature an intuitive design focused on ease of use and portability, starting with a compact charging case that houses 4 LED indication lights to monitor battery levels. Inside the case, you'll find the left and right earbud slots equipped with magnetic charging pins that align perfectly with the charging contacts on the underside of each earbud. Each earbud is topped with an MFB or multifunction button, touch panel for seamless control, positioned right next to a dedicated mic hole for clear voice pickup. To ensure a comfortable fit and optimal sound isolation, the earbuds come with soft silicone earbud tips. When it's time to power up the entire system, the back of the case features a universal USB-C port for fast and reliable wired charging. How to pair? To get started, download the official TOZO app from your smartphone's App Store or Play Store. The app allows you to manage device settings, customize touch controls, monitor battery life, and even update firmware, giving you full control over your earbuds. Open the charging case and remove the earbuds. They will automatically enter pairing mode. On your smartphone, turn on Bluetooth and look for TOZO T10 wireless earbuds in the list of available devices. Select it to establish a connection. Once connected, you'll hear a confirmation tone from the earbuds indicating pairing is successful. Open the TOZO app and follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the setup. You can customize touch gestures, check battery levels, and adjust audio settings according to your preference. After setup, your earbuds are ready to deliver high-quality sound, comfortable open-ear listening, and seamless performance for calls, music, and workouts. How to charge. Plug a USB-C cable into the charging port located on the back of the case. Connect the other end to a power source, such as a wall adapter, laptop, or power bank. Once connected, the LED indicator on the case will light up to show that charging has started. Keep the case on a stable surface while charging and allow it to fully charge for maximum battery performance. The charging case supports Qi wireless charging. Simply place the bottom of the case, where the wireless charging contact is located, onto a compatible charging pad. Make sure the case is properly aligned with the center of the pad to ensure efficient charging. The LED indicator will turn on to confirm charging, and you can leave it on the pad until fully charged for convenient cable-free use. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. Product comparison. The TOZO T10 earbuds feature a compact, lightweight in-ear design with soft silicone tips and an IPX8 waterproof rating, making them well-suited for workouts and everyday use. In comparison, the Soundcore Life P2 also has a sleek, ergonomic in-ear build, but with an IPX7 water resistance. Still resistant to sweat and rain, but slightly lower than TOZO's rating. Both are designed for comfort, portability, and durability, though the TOZO T10 edges ahead in waterproof protection. For sound, the TOZO T10 uses 8mm dynamic drivers to deliver deep bass and balanced audio, along with passive noise isolation for more immersive listening. Touch controls let you manage music, calls, and your voice assistant easily. The Soundcore Life P2, on the other hand, typically features larger drivers, up to 11mm, that aim for punchier bass and bass-up technology to enhance low frequencies, plus quad mic noise reduction for clearer calls. The Life P2 also offers intuitive touch controls, but its audio tuning leans more toward bass-heavy profiles. In terms of battery life, the TOZO T10 provides about 8 to 10 hours per charge and up to roughly 40 to 45 hours with the charging case. It supports both USB-C and wireless charging. The Soundcore Life P2 usually delivers around 7 hours on a single charge and up to about 40 hours with the case, but it relies on USB-C charging only. Both earbuds use Bluetooth 5.x, TOZO 5.3, and Life P2, commonly Bluetooth 5.0 or 5.2, to ensure quick pairing and stable connectivity. Pros and cons. The TOZO T10 wireless earbuds offer impressive features for their price, starting with long battery life that keeps you going for hours and a waterproof IPX8 rating that protects against sweat, rain, and splashes. They deliver punchy bass and clear audio across most genres, with an ergonomic and comfortable fit that stays secure even during workouts. You also get wireless charging, app-based EQ customization, stable Bluetooth 5.x connectivity, and good call quality, all packed into a lightweight, durable, and pocket-friendly design that pairs instantly when removed from the case. On the flip side, they lack active noise cancellation, and some users may find the fit tricky if they have smaller ears. Touch controls can be sensitive, connectivity may drop at longer distances, and the bass-heavy sound profile might not suit everyone. Additionally, the case is slightly bulky. There's no multi-point device support, mid and high audio details aren't as refined as premium models, and the microphone may pick up background noise in busy areas. Despite these minor drawbacks, the TOZO T10 stands out as a reliable value-for-money option for everyday listening and workouts. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.